Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. Today is going to be a tattooed theme video, which you guys seem to really love. If you haven't seen any of my previous tattooed like numbing cream videos and stuff like that, definitely go check those out. Those seems to be like y'all's favorite. So of course my name is Tattooed Mama. I am a mama, obviously I'm tattooed. Finally got my arm completely tattooed. I plan to be fully tattooed and I can't wait to have that happen. Obviously it's going to take quite some time, but I will very soon, because it's been highly requested like throughout the years to do all the tattoos I have. I can't think of what you'd call that video, but show you guys all my tattoos and the meaning behind it and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, so you clicked on this video because you want to see this stuff in action and if it actually works or not. So they make obviously some creams and some lotions and stuff like that to make your tattoo look more fresh, new, and stuff like that. Some of them a few of them I've tried and they just seem to be really oily, and I don't like that feeling. Obviously, I don't think anyone wants to feel like super oily throughout the day. I saw this at Walmart and I just, obviously, packaging to me, I love packaging. It has such a cute package. This is something obviously I think would be super cute to like keep out sitting on the counter, which I totally do. This is the Malibu Tan Hemp Tattoo Enhancing Body Moisturizer. Hemp aloe and shea brightening the appearance of tattoos and moisturizing dry skin. It says let your ink shine bright. Yes. Okay, so for the directions it says apply to skin, ensuring even coverage over tattoo. Reapply as desired. Not intended for use on fresh tattoos. So just know that your tattoo needs to be fully healed and stuff like that in order to use this. So we're just going to hop right into this review. I'm going to let you guys know if this is worth testing out, like this is worth buying. I'm telling you right now, I don't think it's a very expensive product whatsoever. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys what my tattoo looks like before I apply this, and then I'll show you what it looks like while I'm applying it, and obviously what it looks like afterwards. So let's just hop right in. All right, so we're going to talk about the smell of this product real quick. This smells incredible. It smells, I can't even really describe like what it smells like, but I absolutely love it. Love it. It doesn't smell like sunscreen in my opinion. It's just a very like fresh smelling smell. I'm telling you guys right now before I show you the demo on this, I freaking love this stuff. I think it is amazing. It really makes your tattoos just like pop. There are times where, and I've had this for like 6 months now, probably even longer than that. There are times where I totally space putting this on and I like go out in public and I get compliments on my tattoos and I look down at my tattoo, I'm like, oh my gosh, my skin looks so dry. I could have totally put this on and made my tattoo look so much better. So I'm going to show you guys a demo right now of what this looks like once you apply it and stuff like that, and then we'll come right back and talk. All right, so I have goosebumps right now, so don't mind those. This is what my chest is looking like without the lotion. This is what my neck looks like. And my arm. Again, I have goosebumps because it's a little chilly. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this. I'll just do it to the arm real quick. And just put the lotion on. And you can see right away how it just, and it does not feel greasy. Did you see how much brighter my tattoo looks? It's so crazy how it just transitions to making it look so much brighter, like right away. I'm really hoping you guys can see the difference. Let me do my chest. And like I said, it doesn't leave it oily at all. It smells super good. I just feel like it really brightens up the tattoo. I'll put some down here so y'all can see. See already, I feel like it made the yellow and the orange pop, and then the black kind of stand out more. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show. Let's do this part of my arm. So here's an up close before. And after. Okay, so as you can see, I totally hyped up this product. I definitely think that you should check it out. I love it. Like I said, I found this at Walmart. Not sure where else you can find it. Try to look up like online, kind of like the Malibu Tan brand like website, and I totally couldn't find it. So if you guys could find that, link it down below in the comments for other people to see, and I'll totally pin the post. If you guys have any other lotions or something like that, I do have I think it's called Mad Rabbit. I will do another video. I'll do a video on that one because I haven't done one yet either, and I'll let you guys know my opinion on that one. If you know any other lotions or balms or anything like that that work good on like enhancing and making your tattoo look like new and fresh and stuff like that, comment down below and I'll totally try it for you guys. But I do highly recommend this one. So yeah, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.